So you can see the sun's just starting to rise. And the volunteer is putting up nets. Okay, it's still before 6 o'clock, it's 10 to 6 now, and we've spread out the nets all the way through the area to catch the birds, and that's already been at least half an hour. You can see they've opened up the centre here. It's now 6:15 in the morning, and we're going out to check the nets. So, first bird for the morning, and this seems to be a beautiful little blackcap. So look at this, we've got a redbreast here, a little robin. I'm putting in the details here.
אוקיי, רואה את הכל, את הטיפה? כן, אבל את רואה שעדיין יש חום. This is called the black cap. It's the number one bird that migrates through Israel. מבחינת the numbers. 100,000 of these birds migrate through Israel twice a year. And here we have the male. As you see, the cap is pretty black. But the female's cap is like reddish brownish, so you can still see that there's some remnants of that reddish brownish, because when the juvenile leaves the nest, it also still has that brownish cap. את צריכה להבחין אלו עברות התעופה, נכון? עברות היד, עברות האמה, ואז יש לנו סוכחות שמכסות עליהן. סוכחות היד, סוכחות האמה, אנחנו קוראים להם גריידר, גדול יותר, סליחה, פריימרי, הראשונים, וגריידר הם יותר גדולים, את רואה? אז PC-GC. מה עוד מיוחד בציפור הזה? מה מאוד מאוד מודגש אצלו?
צבע.
חוץ מהצבע?
העיניים.
בדיוק. אבנר קורא לזה, לא רק הוא כנראה, זה הכיפה אדומה. חוק כיפה אדומה.
למה העיניים שלך גדולות יותר?
כי מאיפה, מתי פעילה?
מה?
מתי היא פעילה?
ביום, under the canopy.
Yeah, but it's not only, but it's mainly at night. She sings at night. The chiffchaff for the winter robber is this size, very small. The tsufit, the sunbird, is also this kind of a size. And you get to this on a, this is Sisi, like on a, this size is like for a bulbul. And then you can get to this size for a stork.
Oh, blimey. Yeah. We have a blackbird here. It's quite large, so it's not so easy to weigh. They're going to stick it into a plastic bag here, probably to calm it down or keep control, I'm not sure. Relocated to the bird hide. You can see everybody suddenly pulled out their cameras and binoculars, and this is what we can see. I was just over on the other side.